Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. I have a little project share for you all, and this is something that I was working on yesterday, and then I've actually finished it up recently while I was watching both all three of them, Eve, Luisa, and Cele. They were on live earlier today. Hey ladies! So I was crafting while they were giggling and chatting. So but yeah, I'm so excited to share what I made. This is an old project. It's nothing new. It may be new to you, you guys who are just recently starting to craft, but this is something that I've done for a very long time, and it's my favorite type of embellishment. And so I just wanted to go ahead and share with you what I used. First of all, I had picked up these long time ago. They're called table scatters from Target, and they're hearts. They're wooden hearts, and I love them because they're already painted white. I love shabby chic style type of crafting. My style is more like shabby vintage glam. So I like pinks in the vintage along with the pinks, baby blue, aqua blues, along with the vintage colors, and it has to have glam, meaning it has to have bling and stuff like that. That's my type of style. So anyways, what I used is that I picked up these papers from Etsy, and it's from OohLaLaVintageTreasures, and the kit is called Ruffles and Rose Kit, and it's the paper kit. And here are some of the images that's included. I love this image. It's pink, and it has like a lace background with like embroidered appliques on it. It's so beautiful. This one is satin, and it has like paper print, some bling, and it's just so beautiful. Here's this one as well. These prints like 8x8. I use a inkjet printer. It's an inkjet. It's from HP, and I have a membership with them, a subscription, where they charge me monthly, and every time they read that my ink goes low, they'll send me new ink. So that's what I have. Here's a satin print, and it's just so beautiful. Here's this one. This one's more like a 6x8, really pretty. And then this is 8x8. This is more vintage, but I like this type of color palette with pink in it, or baby blue or aqua blue, light colors. I love this one too. It's so pretty. And then this one is white tone. It's so beautiful. And there's another one which I already cut into it. This is what I have left. And it had a combination of all of these in this one sheet, and that's what I used. So I did use one of my blings that I have here. They're called like nail art. They're like nail art design, and I only used like one of them on this one when I first started because I wasn't sure what I wanted to work with. And look at this little bling. I hope it captures it. It is so beautiful. And like I said, I bought these from Ally. And then I have some bows, so I use bows. Here are some little doodads, some pearl hearts. So what I used was mostly these type of flowers. And then I also used one of my cameos. I haven't used a cameo. Oh my gosh, I haven't used cameos in such a long time. So I used one of my cameos in blue. And then on AliExpress a long time ago, I had purchased these gems, and they are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, and they're so sparkly. I mean, I don't know if the camera can do justice on how sparkly these are. They're just so beautiful, and I bought it like many moons ago and never got around to using it, and I started using them this time. And then here's some trim. I don't know from what trim this came from, but I know I had some scraps, and what I did is I cut it out. So I cut this part out, and I use them as part of the embellishments. And then I have this trim as well. And this trim, oh my gosh, you can see it's all cut apart. And this trim actually comes from here, and I have no idea where I got it, but this is how it looks like. And I've had this for such a long time, and this is how I've been cutting it, you know, taking it apart, using it, and then I still could use this. All I gotta do is just clean up those little threads that's sticking out, and I can still use this. So so I used this flower, and yeah, I use mostly this flower. So, and then I also use this trim. This is some scraps, a scrap that I have left, and I use a lot of this already. I also, so here are the little flowers that you can see that I used. And then here's another one of those little that I had to iron. Well, I didn't iron this one, but a couple of them, one of them I ironed. But you see, those are the scraps that I use. And then I also use this trim. This is from Hobby Lobby. I know this is from Hobby Lobby, but I don't remember where I got the other ones from. And then I use pearl trim as well. So I use this cream colored one. These are like 4mm pearl trim. I also use this white one from my stash. It's 4mm. I used a pink one, and I also used like a aqua color. It's like blue aqua. I think it's more like an aqua color. I used this one, and I also used this one, which is one of my favorite trims to use. What I did is I cut it apart, and these are also 4mm. And then I also used this bling. This is from Michael's. They come in a roll. I don't know if they still have it, but I use pieces here and there. They're like little flourishes. And then I also used a couple of this bling from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if they still have them. I really haven't checked. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and share with you what I used. I also had flowers. I used a lot of ribbon roses, my bows, and my little jemmies from here. So let me go ahead and share with you what I made. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It came out so beautiful. So here are my little hearts. So I made this one. I did about 20 of them. So I did this one, so pretty. So you can see the trims that I use. So pretty. Here's this one. So I did more like the color scheme of whites, and you see here in the center, see that gem right there? I don't know if you could see it. So pretty. It sparkles. So beautiful. Well, I use a lot, like the color scheme that you see here, white, pink, and baby blue or aqua is what I use. This one. So I did 20 of them. 2 of them are different from all of them. So I did like 3 of the same design, but in different colors. And I used the pattern paper that I purchased from OohLaLa. So pretty. That's the paper I use to cover the hearts. And what I do is I use my Fabri-Tac to color the paper, to cover the hearts with the paper. And I let it dry, and after that I just trim out the paper. And then to make it smooth, I use a nail filer. You could get these at Dollar Tree, and you just smooth it out with a nail filer all around. There's another one. So beautiful. I love these. This one came out different, and I used sequins on this one. And here's that little trim that I cut apart. This one came different as well. This one I used a little gemmy, the nail art gem, and I put pearls all the way around, and I put this on the bottom. And then the rest are practically the same as the others. So these will look so great in embellishments, any other embellishments that you want to use. You can add these to your projects as well. Super easy to make. If you don't have those wooden hearts, that's fine. You could just use punch out little hearts from cardstock, and you could add a few layers of it to make it thick, and make your own embellishments like this. So, you know, however you work with what you have on hand, and I'm trying to work with what I have on hand And yeah, so oh my gosh, look at these. They're so beautiful. I love them. Alrighty, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a little project video. And yeah, so I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.